Morning DIYs. It's Monday morning and I laid this floor on Friday afternoon. Now I'm going to be doing the walls today. So I've got my laser level happening at my correct height. All my tiles are going to be 6x3 and going horizontal. So now I'm marking my level line right around, like so. Over here, there, it's all pretty basic because here is where I'm pointing, is I'm putting a skirt through there. So I'll be going up this wall here. I'll come around into this architrave, aluminium up there in the corner. I'll go into that cabinet. They want to recess that cabinet, but that can be done at a later date. So I go up to the bottom of the cabinet, straight through and around. I'll come a little bit past the bath, so it tidies it up there and drops down to a skirt. Easy peasy. Let's get into it, Chriso. We'll see you soon. I'll get started and I'll come back to you. I'll be doing, well, I can do this wall. I'll do this, I should do that wall and then I'm going into it both sides with my tile. So I'll start on that wall first, shoot up there, and then do this one and do this back wall. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.